In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text box with curved shadow in Canva. We'll start right inside a Canva design. First, open the Elements panel on the left and use the search bar to find a basic square shape. Drag the square onto your canvas and resize it to the width you want for your text box. You can pull the corner handles to keep it proportional, or use the side handles to turn it into a rectangle that better fits your layout. With the shape selected, click the color tile in the toolbar. Switch the fill to a gradient so your box has a smooth, modern blend. Choose a gradient that matches your brand or project and adjust the direction if available so the light and dark areas land where you want the eye to travel. Next, open the text panel and add a heading. Type your message, then position it over the gradient box. Tweak the font, weight, size, letter spacing, and line height so the text sits comfortably within the shape with even margins on all sides. Now click the text color and apply a gradient here as well. Pick tones that complement the box. High contrast improves readability. If you don't see the exact gradient you want, choose solid colors that echo the box's lightest or darkest shade. When the layout looks clean, go to Share in the top right, choose Download, and set the file type to PNG. PNG preserves crisp edges and supports transparency, which is important for the shadow effect you'll add next. Download the file to your computer. Back in Canva, open the Uploads